Hey everyone, welcome back to Financial Freedom Guide. Today, we're diving into the mindset secrets of the 1%. What do they know about money that most people don't? Turns out, it's less about what's in your bank account and more about how you think. Stick around, because these 5 tips will change the way you think about money. And they're tips you can start using right now. Tip number 1, think long-term. The wealthiest people don't just look at what's going on today or tomorrow. They have a vision for the next 5, 10, or even 20 years. They're not just chasing quick wins. They're focused on where they want to end up financially. So here's your challenge. Spend a few minutes mapping out your financial goals for the next few years. Make them clear and specific. Where do you see yourself? Once you know your destination, you can start planning how to get there. Tip number 2, treat money like a tool. The 1% don't see money as something to be spent immediately. They see it as a resource to build with. Money is like a hammer. It's just a tool until you know what to build with it. Next time you think about a purchase, ask yourself if it'll help you build something valuable. It's a small mindset shift, but it's huge for growing wealth. Tip 3, focus on earning more, not just saving. The wealthiest people don't just save, they look for ways to grow their income. They might have a side hustle, investments, or ways of creating passive income. They aren't just trimming expenses, they're expanding their income sources. So here's your challenge. Think of one way to increase your income, even if it's small. Could be picking up freelance work, selling a skill, or investing. Shifting your focus to growth instead of just budgeting can make a world of difference. Tip number 4, take calculated risks. The 1% don't just jump into random opportunities, but they're not afraid to take informed risks either. They research, analyze, and weigh their options before making a big decision. Challenge for you. Start with a small investment. Maybe it's a stock, a course, or even an online business. Do your homework, and don't fear failure. The key is taking smart risks, not reckless ones. Tip number 5, invest in yourself. And last but definitely not least, invest in yourself. The 1% are constantly learning. They know that their skills, knowledge, and networks are their best assets. The more they improve, the more opportunities come their way. Your challenge here is simple but powerful. Set aside time and maybe even some money for self-improvement. Take a course, build a skill, or focus on your health. Investing in yourself is one of the smartest moves you can make. All right, there you have it. 5 powerful mindset shifts from the 1% that you can start using today. These aren't just tips, they're ways to completely rethink your relationship with money. So, which one are you going to start with? Smash that like button if this video helped you. Subscribe for more tips on mastering your financial journey, and drop a comment to let me know which mindset shift you'll be trying out first. Thanks for watching, and remember, wealth starts in the mind. See you next time.